Stop. Don't leave this video. First of all, hello, and in this video, I'm gonna explain you what is MUN. And by the end of this video, I will give you top 3 reasons why you need to participate in this event. If it's interesting to you, let's go.
Model UN is an educational simulation in which students replicate the workings of the United Nations.
Okay, I must say that the explanation of artificial intelligence was quite complicated, but now I will try to explain it in simple words. Model United Nations, in simple words, is a game. Let's just say it's a game. It's a game where plenty of teenagers and young people participate in, especially those who want to become successful ambassadors and diplomats in the future. They discuss current international issues and they try to do their best to solve them all. Okay, key elements of the Model United Nations you should really know about. The first thing is the participants of MUNs represent delegates from various countries. And the second thing is there are many committees like General Assembly, Economical and Social Council, Security Council, and etc. There are plenty of them. And you need to know that different committees have various agendas. In other words, different topics. And the third thing is discussions are conducted according to strict rules based on United Nations protocols. And the fourth thing is, like in the real United Nations, at the Model United Nations, there are sessions, and at each session topics are discussed on which delegates develop and adopt resolutions proposing solutions to the problems being addressed. And the fifth thing is, by participating at the Model United Nations, you will enhance your skills in public speaking, debates, diplomacy, research, teamwork, and also critical thinking. You will start to understand better international affairs, and you can also make professional connections that could be really beneficial in the future.
UN models are held at various levels, from school and university to international.
As I promised at the beginning of this video, let's talk about the top 3 reasons of participation. And the first is socialization. In other words, networking or communication with other people. We all know that networking plays a crucial role in our lives. And we all know that it's really important, especially for those who want to achieve something in life, who want to succeed in life. And this event, MUN, will help you to find like-minded people. Those who have the same mindset, the same goals and ambitions like you. Alone, you will achieve nothing. But if you find like-minded people, your team, it will be much easier and faster to succeed in life. And the second reason is you will enhance your skills in terms of leadership and diplomacy. We've already talked about this topic, about this criteria earlier in this video, but I want to add something. MUNs will teach you how to negotiate effectively and find compromises. And the third, final reason of participation is you will broaden your horizon by learning history and position of a particular country. I do really hope that this video was quite interesting and informative. If you really like this video and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them all in the comments section below. See you in my next videos. Stay healthy and be wealthy.